How to add education on your profile on REDnote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a REDnote application in your mobile device. Go ahead and open it up. Once you open the REDnote app, you want to go ahead and log into your REDnote account. Now once you're logged into your account, you simply want to go ahead and tap on this me icon at the bottom right corner. Now, once you are inside your profile section, simply tap on edit profile right over here. And then inside edit profile section, you'll find different kind of option. From here, you'll find an option that says education. Go ahead and tap onto it. Simply tap on university. Search for your college and then select it. Once you're done with everything, simply tap on confirm right over here. And then you'll be able to add education on your profile on REDnote app. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.